Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert currency exchange symbol in Word. So it is very easy to insert it. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol and more symbols. Just click on it. So this type of screen will be open. Font select this one and type this character code. This one. Character code is 1F4B1. So just type this character code and click on insert. You show the name also. Now close it. So very easily you can insert currency exchange symbol in Word. Need to change the color also. So just select it and font color option will be show. Click on this drop down and change it. Second way to change the color. Firstly select it and click on home and font color. Same option will be show. So click on this drop down and select it. So very easily you can insert currency exchange symbol in Word and very easily you can change the color also. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.